Hi, my name is Kartavya Sharma. I am from Mathura. I am a student of CSE Engineering, third year from Jaipur. So I developed a lung complication about 8 months ago. For the first time, I felt some pain in my chest, and then we visited to a nearby doctor. But in the time of Corona, it was not that each and every hospital was accepting patients with such cases of lung pain, and so we were not diagnosed properly. But the thing was, after 2 months the problem was increasing and we did not find a solution with medication. Then doctor suggested that we must go for biopsy. Then in JP we did our biopsy, but the results were not there. Means the lesion, what kind of lesion it is or something, was not detected yet. So my cousin Kritika, she suggested that we should meet Dr. Arvind, and he's an expert in his field. Then we did our research also from the internet, and we found out his achievements, what kind of patients he has seen, reviews of the patient, and we were pretty much impressed. We then visited Mr. Arvind. He took 2 dates. Did all his research, seen all our papers, and then came to a conclusion that surgery was the last final result. We were a bit scared about surgery, but the firmness in his voice made us believe that yes, this is our last option and we should do it right now so that the problem does not increase.
Kartavya ji had been suffering from some problem in his left upper lobe. He had gone from one hospital to another hospital, even had a needle test, but there was no diagnosis. He was given anti-tubercular treatment, but there was no diagnosis. We also looked at his CT and we thought that it's something which is suspicious, number one. It's something which needs to be removed surgically, whether it is tuberculosis or it is fungus or it is tumor, whatever it will not get cured by medicine. And this had a potential to infiltrate into his heart also, because it was very close to the heart. So we decided to take it out. We were able to clean the chest completely. Upper part of the left lung was removed, lower part was fine, so it was left behind. And since he's young, he's very energetic, he made a very good recovery and he's now back to his normal life. He's even able to dance few weeks after surgery. So I would give a message that when you have a tumor like or some mass in the lung, and despite repeated needle tests and all, a diagnosis not possible, instead of just lingering on allowing that mass to increase and create a problem, it's better to take it out, which will give you the diagnosis as well as give you a curative situation, as happened with Kartavya. I'm very happy that Kartavya is back to his normal life so soon after surgery. God bless him.
I'm a gym enthusiast, I'm a dance enthusiast, and after lung surgery, means for us, stamina is the utmost important thing in life. And after lung surgery, I was really scared that I will have to drop on this dance and gym. But the very next morning after my surgery, I was doing my recovery exercises, and that day I felt like, yes, I have defeated my disease and now I can hop on to my activities. So a big thanks to all doctors, Dr. Arvind, Dr. Harshvardhan, Dr. Bilal, Dr. Sukhram, and all the nurses out there, Dr. Deepika. So a big thanks to all of you, and I'll remember you for the rest of my life. Thank you.